Musket Ridge is one of the top golf courses in the state of Maryland and the Mid-Atlantic. It's one of the best wedding venues in the state. And we're embarking on a zero food waste initiative.
Greener Planet Group helped Musket Ridge become the first golf club and wedding facility in the entire East Coast to initiate a zero food waste program through an innovative Bokashi composting method. We partnered with Affinity Management, a club management group, and also the Rock and Renew Foundation, a nonprofit organization comprised of rock stars that use music to promote environmental education in over 200 schools across the country.
Bokashi is a really interesting process. It's actually a form of composting that uses effective microorganisms to ferment food waste. We actually take effective microorganisms that work to sterilize and ferment and pickle the food waste.
It's a busy, busy wedding venue. There's almost no weekend that we don't have a wedding here. We generate waste in the tons, not in the pounds. I mean, we generate tons of waste, and now we're not going to.
I think all of the recycling and the Zero Food Waste Initiative is great. I think it not only will attract more people for them, I know it'll attract more golfers for us just to tell them that they're going green, that they're environmentally friendly.
Here our customers really were the ones that were the catalyst that got us thinking, what should we be doing, what can we do?
I think it's tremendous that Musket Ridge is taking the initiative to do something to help save the environment. I think it's wonderful that they're taking that next step to move forward and do something that's environmentally sensitive.
Hopefully maybe this, if it works out for us well, maybe there's somebody else out there that'll get inspired to do something, and certainly I know it's already inspiring us to do other things we wouldn't have considered.
The Zero Food Waste Initiative at Musket Ridge is one piece of an overall sustainability program for the club.
In these current economic times, it often seems like it's impossible to make these changes if it's going to cost more money. Well, it's actually easy to just start with the very small things. No matter where you're at, there is a way that you can move forward in the most elementary process to get onto the road and eventually figure out the larger things that are going to also make a big difference.
Slip out the back and let the motor die. Belief in yourself, you got that spirit high. The have-nots don't belong, the yesterdays you sold, and it was on our way. Yeah, it's not your fault this time, it's mine. Let's just forget about it. It's not yours, but it's just mine. So come on, let's just forget.